All right, good morning. It's Tuesday. Good to see you. Nice to be here. All right, so trying to figure out what we're going to do the next few weeks in terms of getting instruction to the kids. One of the options, especially I think for middle school and high school teachers, is going to be to use some sort of video slash audio scenario. So one of the things I want to show you today is that, hold on a second. I think my kids are trying to kill themselves downstairs. Hold on a second. I'll be right back. That's all I'm saying. So maybe come down there again and see what happens. All right. All right. So yeah, you can pause this thing as it turns out, which comes in handy when you're trying to work from home, so that you don't sound like a crazy lunatic yelling at your kids. Which luckily you didn't have to hear it because I hit the pause button. All right. So anyway, back to what we're working on. All right. So this is going to be called ScreencastOmatic. So what you can do is, first of all, I've set everything up on a PowerPoint just to make it easier for me. So ScreencastOmatic, just Google it. You can find it right there. You're going to click on this right chunk. That's ScreencastOmatic. All right, so that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. I'm going to go ahead and move my window over to the side here. So that way you can see everything that needs to be seen. And if you want the kids to see you, you can put your face down there in the bottom. You can move that all around the screen. All right. So ScreencastOmatic, it's free. If you want to sign up for the deluxe version, you can. It will prompt you to do that along the way. The free version, you can record these videos up to 15 minutes, no cost. Right. So all you got to do is click on the blue, start recording for free. Click on that, and it'll take you a page that looks like this. So here's the page where you can upgrade the recorder to get the fancier recorder if you want. Pay extra money, extra bells and whistles. You know, you can look into that if you want. The free recorder will serve my purposes. It'll probably serve your purposes for what we're trying to accomplish. So you will just simply click on the free recorder right there. So once you click on free recorder, a couple boxes are going to pop up. This box is going to pop up right here. Open screen recorder launch version 2.0. You click on that, and that is what makes the actual recorder pop up. So the recorder is going to look like what you're seeing in the background right here. It's going to give you this box where you can identify what portion of the screen you want to capture. Currently, I have pulled mine all the way out to the edges so that you can see the full screen. And then this box will pop up. It'll allow you to choose from either recording your screen, recording just the video of yourself, or both. So right now I have it set to both, so that you're getting everything that I'm recording on the screen, plus the video of myself, which you can move this around, put in the corner if you want. All right, so you're on that screen, click on that, that box will pop up, click on that, and it'll take you to something that looks like this. All right. So once you're on this page, you can pull this out. You can set your parameters. Again, I took a screenshot of this just so I could do it all as a PowerPoint, move right through everything real quick. You can move this out to the edges. You can whatever part of the screen you want. You can, if you have several web pages open, or you have PowerPoint open and Google Slides open and a couple different websites, and you're going to move from each thing to each thing, you can move from thing to thing while it's recording. All right. If you don't, you want to do it that way, you can always hit the pause button, go to your slides, set up the way you want, and then hit record again, and it'll pick up right where you left off. All right. So what you do is once you get it set the way you want, where you want both, or just the webcam, or just the screen, you'll hit record, and it'll pop up where it'll have a countdown to go 3, 2, 1, and then you'll be recording. All right. So let's do that. Okay. So we got everything set up the way we want. Now we can hit record. So here's what it would look like if you're doing like a history class and you're covering the Cold War. This is my PowerPoint. I have my PowerPoint, maximize presentation view, and I'd be talking about the Cold War to my class. And so again, I can have myself in there if I want. I don't have to. I want to start talking about Joseph Stalin. I can do that. And here's another thing I just want to mention while in this presentation. I want to teach you a second thing at the same time. Is if you don't want to do this where you're going to be a video version of yourself. Some people don't want to video themselves for various reasons. I think you're all beautiful and delightful. I think you all look wonderful on video. You may not feel that way yourself. What you can do is you can go into PowerPoint, and there is a way to do this on Google Slides. I'm just not as familiar with that yet. So I'll play around with that, and then I'll get a message back to you on how to do this. But if you just want to have just the audio of you talking, you can do that. So if you're in PowerPoint, you can go to Insert, and you'll click on Insert, and all these things will pop up here at the top of the screen. And you can come over here to this section called Media. And if you click on Audio, a box like this will pop up, this dialog box. And you can actually just record yourself talking. Or if you want to upload a file that you already have, some sort of audio file that goes along with what you're talking about, you can upload whatever audio file. So when you do this, all you have to do when the box pops up is click Record, and it'll start recording. And when you're done, this box is the stop box, and you'll hit stop, and then you can embed the sound right into your presentation. So that's what I did here. You can see this box right here. You hover over that, and then this pops up. So check this out.
This is Joseph Stalin. He's got some sweet hair and a killer mustache. Looks a lot like the guy on the Pringles can. But he's bad, unlike the guy on the Pringles can that gives you delicious potato chips. He just likes to kill people all the time.
Yeah, so at this point, you're probably feeling like a total graduate of the program on how to do this screen-related stuff, adding audio and video for presentations. So the good thing about ScreencastOmatic is that you can actually, I feel like I shouldn't have me and Stalin on the same page at the same time. You all might start to think our mustaches look too much alike. So let me change this picture real quick. Here we go. Harry Truman, wonderful president. We look nothing alike. But what you can do is you can actually upload this directly to YouTube. When you get to the end of the recording, you can go directly to YouTube, which I did not take a picture of, and I should have. But it is one of the options when you get done with the recording. So you click on Done. You click on how you want to upload it. You can save it as a file that you can directly email to people. There's a way to directly upload it to YouTube, and then it will give you an address that you can copy and send in an email, and it will take it directly to YouTube. And so that when you send the email, when you open the email, there's a little box down at the bottom of the screen that looks like what they will see on YouTube. So again, several different ways to send it to the people that you want to get it to. And it's a nice way just to deliver some information to the kids. They'll probably also like the fact that they're seeing their teacher and make them feel a little bit more normal about what's going on. So again, the max length for this, the free version, is 15 minutes. And we don't want to overwhelm the kids probably anyway, so we wouldn't probably want to go any more with that. So if you wanted to send home some sort of worksheet or whatever that you want them to be working on, you can actually talk them through it by using a system like this, either using the ScreencastOmatic or the screen capture tool in PowerPoint, that sort of thing. So if you have any questions, email me, call me, just let me know, and we'll try to keep moving forward helping our kids. So I hope everybody has a great day and a great few weeks, and stay safe out there. And look, I told y'all, if I got to come down there one more time,